Whew. Morning, guys. I got to the shop. It's Monday morning. Feeling a lot better after being sick for the last week or so. Heat on. I was sick for the last week or so, so I had the office closed and took a couple of days off just trying to mend. My boy was sick, and we had a COVID test, and we're negative for COVID, so that's all good. And I'm feeling a lot better now, so I'm gonna get back over to the shop and get things opened up and going. So I gotta move some stuff around here in this center bay, and I've got a blue Comanche outside that I actually did a restoration on, or a mid-level paint job on here 9, 10, 11 years ago, something like that. So we never did get the doors working right, I guess, and I can't remember for the life of me what we did inside those doors. It seems like that we were going to do add power locks and windows to it or something. I don't remember right, but he's the owner of the Nash that we're doing, and then he said he's probably going to get ready to sell this Comanche, so he wanted me to see if I could help him out and get the doors fixed up. So I've got a set of parts doors over here that have manual locks and window regulators in them that came out of a Comanche, and then I also have a parts Cherokee out front next to the Comanche. So we're going to get this bay cleaned out and then bring that Comanche in and work on that Comanche a little bit, see if we can get these door locks fixed up for him. So anyway, I know it's been a minute since I've been able to post Jeep shit and videos and whatnot, but I appreciate your faithful following and continuing to watch the videos. Just I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. We'll get this thing going. Take care. Alright, we got her started. I had to leave it on the battery charger overnight, and then I think my trailer keeps drawing the battery dead in the tow truck, so I got it on the charger now, but the owner said he was having issues with the clutch too. He was having to pump it up, so let's see what kind of... Ooh, yeah, it doesn't feel very... Take a lot. Maybe she's just got a small leak or something. We'll get her back in here. See what we can do. Ooh. Yeah, see. How do we get out? We got out yesterday, so it's back here somewhere. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Rod in here. Oh, there it is. Pull that. Oh, I got it. Alright. Move this here. Close. Oh. Shit. Locked it. I'm gonna hitch sticking off the back, so we gotta remember that. No, can't see Dick out of here. Woo! There she is. So what do we got? This is a 87 Comanche. This was a Pioneer option. It was not originally this blue color. It was a different blue color. And he kind of gave me free rein to pick something that looked a little custom, but close to what was on there. And so this is like I think this is a 92 Audi color. And we did full body and paint, all the jams, put the vinyl floor in it. I installed the rock sliders, did the rear trim, the Hanson rear bumper. I think these sliders are Rocky Mountain 4x4. There's a guy out in Moab in Utah that are making these, or he was making them 10 years ago. Oregon Fab, OR Fab, ORF, front Cherokee bumper. I installed that and the winch, all that stuff, a decade ago. Oh yeah, the snorkel. I did the safari snorkel and had the flares off, put the flares back on, and then it left in stock suspension form. And then through the years, I did the canopy, and this is a really nice canopy. And then I did a spray and bed liner too. So anyway, it's got a little dings and dents here, but we're gonna fix up the doors and make the doors work, get the locks back in it. So. Here we go. Calder's manual. Okay. There's the armrest. Okay. And he said he never got this door open again. He took it to a couple of people and it don't work. We'll see what we can do about getting this thing done. So the first thing I want to do is look in here at the rods, figure out what rod is doing what. So we've got there's the door open rod. Okay. And then we're missing the rod for the lock. That should be locked. That should be unlocked. Okay. And then we've got the rod here. Well, I can see it. I can't get it. Yeah, there's that one. Okay. I'm not sure what the problem is here, so let's see if I can find the lock cylinders. Lock cylinders. Are you gonna be lock cylinders? Okay. Well, here's the new lock cylinders we need. And I just need the rods. I'm going to get over there and take apart this and see if I can pull on the rod manually and get that one open at least. Then we'll take the door panel off and see what's wrong with that one. But on this one, I know I just need the lock rod, the door lock rod. As long as this one's right, I think it is. So. I do remember on these, so sometimes when people take them apart and restore these, they'll flip around these. I remember that these are supposed to go in opposite directions from the factory. So that one is that one, this one. Lost the rod again. That's all copacetic. And we just just need the door lock rod. I got this part store up here. We're going to pop the door panel off, and then we'll get that rod out of there. The other reason I've been saving these doors: 1, they're good for halfers. 2, they're good for somebody who's looking for them. 3, window regulator. Pine tree needs one or 2. I think this one is in good shape when I checked it. Oh yeah, genius. Okay, get that rod out of there. So it's the bottom one that we need, I think. Okay, now I just gotta fish this rod into its home. Okay, so this one's gonna go like that, and rod. You just look at the direction of those clips. This one, the rod has to go facing this way, so it's got to slip in this way, and then this one has to go in from the bottom. This is the right rod. If we would have used the other one, in order for this one to be up, it'd be pointing the wrong way. One end would be pointing the wrong way. So if you get them mixed up, that's how you can kind of tell. So put one in here, and we'll put. There's a little. There you go. All right. There, you can't see. Try it. There we go. Good. Fuck. God damn it. Okay, how the fuck am I going to do this now? Take this. Alright, we're back. I just put this all together, and there's something obviously bound, so I'm just trying to figure out. Oh yeah, it's hitting right here. So maybe that rod doesn't go in that one, and it goes in this rear one. Yeah. Confusing part of it is that if you see, so that's the power door lock actuator down there, and this piece here might be in conjunction with power door locks. The manual door lock version might be different, so have different as far as the armatures go. I'm going to take this one out right here. I'm going to take it out up here too. I'm going to take this one out again. handle. Okay. Alright guys, so something new to me, and I just realized when I took this handle apart, this was a driver's side Comanche. I didn't pay no real attention to it when I took it apart, other than I knew this handle was under the screw. Just my memory told me. And then as I'm assembling this one and struggling with it, I realized when I went to put the screw in that the handle is above the screw on this one. So, and if you were sitting here and you went to reach in from a manufacturer standpoint or a customer standpoint, you went to reach in to grab your handle, you don't want to grab it under, you want to grab it over. Oh, if we look over there, that's it. Well, the camera that I was filming with is in there on the seat. You see the little red thing with my flashlight? And when the phone rang, I closed the door over there and started talking. And guess what wasn't hooked up? The thumb button, or the lock is locked. So now we're going to reach in here and we're going to see if we can open the door. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to try one more thing. See if I can get... Can I get the lock rod? Ah! Got it. Alright, we're back. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah. So this handle is backwards with that handle. We need to flip these. And then we'll start again. So here we go. On the flashlight. There it is. Yeah, that's not going to stay white, is it? Those white. Seat key. I love Comanches with a bench seat. That's why I left the bench seat in pine tree. Hopefully it can stay. Hi guys. Where can we put this sucker out here? Hang metal around. Alright. Yeah, see, that's peculiar that I didn't recognize this issue. So. Where to put you? Knee camera? Oh, look at that. Okay. First Comanche restoration. Didn't know as much as I do now, that's for sure. And you still learn something new every day on these damn things. Come on out. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can... Alright, let's see if I can go these fucking things out here. There we go. Goodbye. There we are. And then push this one out. Okay. That one goes over there. This one goes over here. How does that sound? That might help a little bit. Alright, now. Uh-oh. Let's get some. Okay. Okay, yeah, you can get your hand on that one. Okay, what's down there? Okay. Oh, that's not it. Oh, shit. No. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's do this. We're on to something now. You know, our door panel tool. Yes, you can stick your fingers back there and you can pop them off if you're careful. Don't be dumb. Just get the tool. Don't be dumb and lose the tool. Whatever. Okay, we're back. Alright. Now let's see if maybe these rods are right and I just didn't put the right handle in the right spot. Which could be the case. Let's find out. So the locking rod is the long front rod for this door. Take that one out. Okay. And then this one is going to be open it, right? Alright, so this rod here is an actuator, and see how it comes up and it's pointed down? Well, if we had the right handle installed, it would need to come up from the bottom. So that rod is wrong. So we're going to get this rod out of here too. And we're going to start over on rods and handles. There we go. Okay. Rod. Where's this rod? I think. No. Maybe it is supposed to be a bit like there. One goes here. Okay. Alright, so I need the manual locking rod from the inside handle to the latch mechanism out of the passenger door. Boom. fix the passenger door. So I'm going to take that apart in a minute. But I'm going to see if my theory's right, and I'm going to put this driver door all together. Cool. See you guys in a minute. So there's definitely something different between the power lock mechanism, this mechanism here, and the manuals. So I had to do a little bit of custom bending on my rods. But, so this is my problem. Now I got my rods the way I want my rods, but I need to get these things to hang out up here long enough for me to get the door panel back on. So that's going to be my mission. Put this one together, get that one together. But it's working. I'm getting somewhere. Alright, let's see lock cylinders. Oh, I need a better camera rig, guys. I'm sorry. I have no idea how this video is going to turn out, but I'm going to make it anyway and post it. Doing the impossible task would be doing this, and god dang, sorry guys, doing this and keeping proper camera angles. It's like impossible as hell for me right now. Well, whatever you get is what you get. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. That's what I tell our kids. Have a nice day. Put this little piece of crap in here and hold the lock in. I got everything working. Got it all in there. We're going to put this in and hold the damn lock cylinder. Oh, I fucking hate engineers. Oh yeah. This will just go around your lock cylinder real nice. Dude. Yeah. These damn engineers put this fucking lip on these damn seals like it's supposed to fit around the lock cylinder. It ain't gonna fit around the lock cylinder. I don't need a goddamn lip on the fucking thing, I just need a seal. I don't fucking see that shit anyway. Here I am. Cut this fucking thing down. Stupid. This is the type of shit I do every day. It's the type of shit other shops don't want to do. Got a problem, just fix it. Hopefully you don't fucking cut your fingers off while you're doing it, because that would suck. Alright. Oh. These aren't even the right ones. fucking convenient is that? I don't fucking fit. I don't know where they come from. I told you there was a frog in the shop. Alright, so we're gonna go to the Jeep graveyard. There's race truck. Oh, race truck. Oh, there's the lid. Oh, there's the third gen runner. Oh my god, there's shit everywhere out here. Oh, pine trees over there. There's a mothership. There's Church City. Here's what we want. We want this territory. We're gonna steal the clips. Not what I wanted to do, but anyway, here we go. Parts cheap. Let's see how fast we can do this. Alright, my red camera died, so we're going to finish this video up. Yeah, that sucker died. So we're going to finish this video up with my cell phone, see how she does. Let me know if you like it or you don't. Alright, so this is the factory clips that I just took out of Derek's Jeep. And here are the clips that I had. No typing. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to finish up my door locks now. Everything's working, so I'm just going to throw these in. Okay, that's done. I pushed it up in there and went tappy, 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 tappy with the pair of pliers. Now, woo! All right, now I got my rods taped up. I'm gonna throw the door panel back on. It should be good on this side. Alright. Now I just gotta do that over there. Here we go. So I have learned in my years of working on MJs that that you can put these rods in theoretically. Butterfingers will work with you. Put these rods on. Come on. Okay. That's why that's come. Okay. Anyway, I was saying that you're supposed to put this on after, like I did on the other door, and you watched how much I struggled with it. I've learned that there is an angle of a fandangle that you can get these in here. Diagonal like that. Slide them back, and then you gotta get to this corner behind. Yep, like that. And you can push them down. Out, up, up. And look, yeah, the problem is getting the slider part to slide over or hook over. So, put this back. There, there, back, now, like that. We're home. Okay. Now, does the door handle work? Does the lock work? Oh, oh, oh yeah. All right. Let's put some screws back in it, I suppose. This one was the one that was in the middle. It didn't look like the right screws are in there anyway. That's okay. It's cheap. Alright. Alright. One little screw. Screw bucket. I always threw my extra cheap looking screws in a bucket hanging on the wall for times like this where you take apart a Jeep and you're like, that's not right. There's one screw and there's two screws. Okay. And make sure you don't just start beating on these like this. Assume they're in the right spot, because as soon as you do, you'll tear one off the cardboard. And it's kind of annoying when you had really nice, flush, tight door panels. See, like that one right there. Caused me to... This one still's got the ring on it. Okay. And then quite a speed up. Probably go back in a little easier. How do you guys like it when I put the camera in the wrong spot and then I turn around and just my ass all up in your face? How you like that shit? Fuck yeah. Did you subscribe yet? More ugga-duggas. Okay, there's an ugga-dugga. Okay. Let's see if this side works now. Okay. Woo. All right, let's go out here. All right. Got 2 working doors and a walking Comanche. Alrighty guys, we are done with this beautiful MJ. If you look this up on Comanche Club, I think there was a build thread. I think it was called Blue Sky, maybe. But you'll probably see some pictures of me working on it if you dig real hard. It's in there somewhere. Anyway, I found some loose cables. I had to charge the battery up because the battery was dead, so I got the battery charged up and then the cables were loose, so I tightened the cables up. The clutch pumped up for me, and it was a little bit low, so I refilled it. I haven't crawled underneath and checked it for leaks as of yet, but it's got a new clutch in it, so hopefully it's just a master or a line leaking or something, but clutch pumped up. So anyway, there's the Comanche. Step back and get you a better picture. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If you got any Comanche questions or restoration questions, just hit me up, let me know. Post up in the comments how I'm doing. If you could do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Really helps the channel grow. Well, anyway, I'm gonna button this thing up and get her outside. I appreciate you guys. Talk at you soon. Take care.